What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David Brand New, and I'm back with another video for you. And today I got a dope ass e-bike to show you guys. Apparently you guys didn't like the awesome scooter. Well, check this out. This is an e-bike by Yadea. Guys, this e-bike is dope as hell, and I'm gonna show you right now. We're gonna kick this video off with a top speed run. Right out of the box, this bike goes 20 miles per hour, but I figured out a hack to make this bike go close to like 30 miles per hour. Now, I haven't tested it GPS verified, but we're gonna do that today. All right, this is how fast the bike is right out of the box. We got the GPS phone app out. First test is gonna be throttle on. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so this is how fast the bike is stock. Currently going 11 miles per hour. It has really good acceleration, but once you get to 19, 20 miles per hour, it just cuts it, and you can feel it. Like I knew that this bike had way more potential, so I was on the hunt to make it faster, and I figured it out, guys. So as you can see, we're only going 19 miles per hour. So in order to make this bike faster, all you need to do is hold this arrow button and the M button at the same time. Boom. Now we're in the settings menu. All right, next you want to scroll over to PO6 by hitting the power button a couple times. PO6. Once you get to PO6, this is the wheel diameter. Believe it or not, by changing this number, you can make the bike faster. So currently it's set to 22. Let's go ahead and drop that. Oh, we exited the menu. If you get kicked out of the menu, just hold the arrow and the M button again. Boom, and we're back in there. Let's go to PO6. Boom. There it is. Now we're gonna change the wheel diameter. We're gonna drop it. You're gonna drop it all the way down to 2.5. Once you get to 2.5, you should be good to go. You can go ahead and turn the bike off, hold the power button, boom, and you can turn it right back on. And it's that easy, guys. Now you have a bike that can go close to like 30 miles per hour. We're about to see right now. GPS phone app is out. First test gonna be throttle only. Let's go ahead and put it in the highest setting. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so we take off with a lot of acceleration. Already going 16, 18, already going 20, already going over 20 now. 24, 25, 26, 28. Oh, can we go 30? Oh, we're running out of space. This bike is all that in a bag of ginger snaps. Check it out. I freaking love everything about this thing. The fat tires, you know I love that. 20x4 inch. Look at the big beefy headlight. Oh my goodness. You gotta have the BMX Bars, guys. Oh my god, you know I love that. You know I do. Comes with this display and thumb throttle unit all in one. Nice. We have a horn right here. Here's your headlight button. There it is. It's daytime, you can't really tell. This bike is dope though because it's rocking an inverted fork. The suspension is down here, it's not up here. It's rocking a little mud guard right here. I like this little pocket. This is like a little storage area. You can put like your wallet down there. Then the battery is mounted up top. I'm not even mad at where they placed the battery. It looks like a little gas tank. Comes with this nice long seat. You could definitely fit 2 passengers on this joint. And if you have a big old booty, it's perfect for you. And then it comes with the rear suspension in the back. Check it out. Overall shot of the bike. What are we saying, man? The Yadea Trooper 01. Oh yeah. Next we're gonna take it up a hill. Let's see how well she does. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go up this hill pretty easily. I did change the setting back to stock, so we're gonna see how it performs up this hill with the stock settings. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see if it makes it up this hill right out of the box with the stock settings. The bike has the power. I feel like it could do it. Let's see. Here we go. We're currently going 19. We know it cuts out at 19, but we should be able to push up this hill pretty easily. The bike is barely slowing down. 15, 14, okay, 13. I'm actually not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. It's performing better than some other bikes. Oh yeah, 12 up the hill. You guys know, you guys know. All right, let's go back down the hill. GPS verified, one-handed. Here we go, let's see how fast this bike is. Oh, it just cut out. This isn't doing anything. This is pure gravity. We're going 29 miles per hour. Oh my God, we're flying now. 33, 34. Oh my God, 35, 36, 37. Woo, woo, woo. Let's see how she does. They're claiming that this is an off-road electric bike. I thought it was a moped style. Oh, but it does have full suspension, so it should work perfectly fine on this off-road trail. It also does have like knobby tires, so yeah, it's just like the frame style is more moped than like mountain bike. Woo. Oh yeah, we're freaking moving over this thing. Let's go. All right, here we go. First test up this hill. Let's see if we can do it. Whoa, nice. That was scary, I'm not gonna lie. But we did it. Let's go down, here we go. Oh, nice. Woo! Yeah, suspension is working great. Let's see, let's go up here real quick. Yeah, you can actually ride this bike off-road. That's dope. Oh my God, technical skills. Ooh, talk about a suspension test. Oh yeah, we're moving. Little jump, here we go. Oh my God, that was crazy. Okay, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, we're gonna go around the bend. Ooh, here we go. Over, nice. We're not going on the big one, it got me messed up. We're gonna go around, through it. Nice. Nice. We're gonna go up. Oh, almost fell. We're gonna go down. And we're gonna test out this suspension. Oh, it gets really bumpy over here. Here we go. Deep trench, watch out. We're gonna pedal a little bit, pick up some speed. Oh yeah, it's pretty bumpy, but this full suspension is handling pretty well. Just ripped through that section. Ripping through this section. We're gonna go up the hill. You can't really pedal this bike because it's single gear and you can't raise the seat height. It's not the most comfortable when you pedal, I'm not gonna lie. All right, we're gonna go down. Throttle only, full speed. In the dirt. Hopefully no birds fly out, here we go. Currently going 31 miles per hour off-road, guys. Let's go. See that jump up there? We're gonna hit this jump. Full speed, 29 miles per hour, here we go. Throttle only. Yeah, right. Got me messed up. All right, guys, so this is the Yadea Trooper 1 electric bike. It has a high power motor with unlimited charm, they're claiming. The current price of this bike is $19.99. Let's look at some of these specs really quick. So it comes with a 48 volt, 750 watt rear hub motor. I'm pretty sure it peaks at way over 1,000 watts. We were pushing that thing. This bike also has a 48 volt, 20 amp hour battery. Is that true? Hold on, I don't know if that's true, guys. Let's see, this bike has a 48 volt, 20 amp hour battery. That's crazy. They're saying that this bike can go over 56 miles of range. And then on the website, they're advertising it to only go 20 miles per hour. But as you saw today, we're capable of going close to like 30. Total weight of the bike is 73 pounds. The max load on this bike is 331 pounds. Overall, this bike is a 10 out of 10. I have zero complaints about it. If I had to nitpick, I would probably say I wish this bike came right out of the box ready to go at 30 miles per hour. But that's okay. All you gotta do is change one setting and you're good to go. Highlights of the bike: 20 by 4-inch fat tires, love it. You can get your swerve on, you know what I mean? I really like the overall look of it. I think it looks super sporty. It kind of has a low profile. It's not a big bike. but I kind of like that. Full suspension, man, have no complaints about that. This front suspension works super good. Back suspension worked great. And of course, the freaking power, like the motor surprised me. This is a 750 watt motor, guys, but we were going 28 miles per hour throttle only. That's basically it, man. This bike is dope. I'm not gonna like overhype it, but it's pretty dope, man. It's pretty dope. So yeah, if you're in the market, definitely hit that link down below. Check it out for yourself, and we'll see you guys in the next video. We have way more e-bikes to review. Until then, deuces like that. Yay!